Here I have HUAWEI Ascend Mate, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is to just press combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time like this, and that's how you can take screenshot. So let me show you once again: volume down, power key, and let's get it. So one last time: power key, volume down, and you got this screenshot. You can find your screenshots in gallery, in the screenshots album, and here they are. And from here you can share, delete, slideshow your screenshots, and all the other actions from this list. Oh no, you can't delete it anymore. Okay, now you have this delete icon here. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.